because we have many problems. We are a Kita riders. So first of all, we have a demand. The Kita should stop the first finger order and billboard order. Why? Because we have some problem. This one, suddenly the order is come, then rider just focus on the mobile and he try to pick up the order and never focus on the driving, and many have a chances for accident. So already have many people accident because of the first finger order and billboard order. So we have one demand, please stop the Kita, actually we request him, Kita, to stop the billboard order and first finger order. And now then Kita, since last 3 months, they giving us take order, and then each take order price is $58.
Last night I received a $55 order.
And $62 order fee, and this is not stable for us, not suitable for us. Why? Because we have so many expense over bike maintenance, fuel, and you know the Hong Kong is a very expensive city. We have a rental, very expensive one. Our salary 60% just go for the rent. So we are not afford this one money. So we have a request increase minimum each order $45 and stake order minimum $80 plus. Plus, okay. And then Kita also now have a Zoom. They give always from Chinwan to Liking Hill and Kwai Fung. They giving an order, and each order $40. And the second one on the time reward. We also have one requirement on the time reward. And the rider always focus, oh, we have a less time, and he go very fast. Then many chances for accident. So please, this one close also, this one close it, and give a fair money.
Subsidy.
Yeah, subsidy, and give a fair money. Then we are actually working Kita.
Rider safety.
How much minimum do you think?
Each order $45.
Base fee
$45 without extra money.
Yeah, double order.
The double order $80 plus.
$80 plus, yeah, minimum.
Yes, minimum. And close billboard order and first finger order, because this is actually it's a very dangerous for Kita. For rider. Very dangerous, because have so many accidents because of this one. Because rider always focus on the mobile.
Yes, it's a function in the app. It's very dangerous.
The rider is not relaxed. Always his mind just focus on the mobile.
Yes. And not on the road.
Not on the road. They have many chances for accident. Even already have many accident because of first finger order and billboard order. So please stop it this one.
Please, it's a humble request. Thank you.
It's a humbly request you, and also we are request you media, please upload in everywhere and share in everywhere. Okay, we are a Hong Kong people, and we go to get together because Hong Kong have a law that Kita actually not follow the law. Okay, this is the actually big scam, and KGO also is a very big scam.
Yeah, we don't want KGO to.
Yeah, and also please off the KGO also, off it. We don't want it this one. Just need a normal order, okay? Just a normal, like a Food Panda, like a Deliveroo, okay? When order is come, just for the one rider, not go for everywhere, not all order. Sorry, one order go for every rider, and if we are fighting like this,
we are all fighting over one order.
Yeah, we are not focused on the road.
And then there is unfair pay because some of them are getting it, some of them are not.
Yeah, we also request to the Labor Department, please take action, because this is your responsibility. We are pay you tax. Okay, every day we pay our tax. We pay the road tax, and also we are request to the Transport Department. Sorry, because we have many accidents, and then you pay the road fine. So you also have a loss about.
Give us enough time, because when we are delivering the order, they not give us enough time. Like you give us 5 minutes or 10 minutes, so that we will not have a ticket. So nowadays the tickets are increasing day by day, so we are not having a healthy income.
Because the ticket also is price increase, and so our salary, if we earn around $25,000, $3,000 just a fuel and motorcycle maintenance and police ticket, fixed penalty, so we don't have income.
Yeah, because if you work 8 hours, the minimum income is $25,000. If you want to earn more, we have to do overtime.
Yeah, now we work in more than 10 hours. We work more than 10 hours, and our earning $750, $800. This is not suitable for us.
Actually, this voice is not for Chinwan. This voice is for all over Hong Kong people.
Yeah, we also request to all Hong Kong riders, please comes together, okay, and make a voice for yourself, for us, for everyone. And we are request to the government, please get a good solution for every rider.
Thank you.
Okay, we are a freelancer. Yes, it's true. We are a freelancer, but we are a Hong Kong people. We are a pay
We're
you.
humans,
The,
not animals.
yes, we are human, and kita eating a blood money actually. We don't care how many we have an accident. We don't have any sick leave. We don't have any insurance. We nothing have. We like a servant. We are not a servant. We are a human. We are a worker.
Thank you.
So do best for us.
Please help us. Thank you.
Thank you so.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Fair
Thank you so
play,
much.
fair
You are
play,
come
fair
media.
play.
Thank you so much for supporting us. Thank you so much for you.
Thank you so much
Thank you
for
so much.
coming, guys.
Thank you.
All of
Thanks
you.
for media.
Oh,
Thanks for
hello.
media. Thanks for media. Thank you media. Thank you. Thank you for help. Thank you. Thank you so much. Billboard order. First speaker order. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it.
Stop it, stop it, stop it.
Billboard order. First speaker order. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it.
Stop it, stop it, stop it.
Don't eat blood money.
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 We want justice. We want justice. We want
Justice.
We want fair money. We want
Fair money.
We want
Fair money.
We